Omurimo gwo kurundana no konja kuhumuriza abo abaferirwa abashija n'abakazi gwagwebembiremu ekigombe kya Mothers Union obakwatanise n'aba Fathers Union omurebezi wa Nkore ebyona byebembiremu omurebezi wa Nkore wa katano the Right Reverend Associate Professor Dr. Fred Sheldon Mwesigwa.
Tureberengwe mirundi mingi obunde kanisa neyuka abantu babina amani babine sente babine bitinisa konka kuba kuheza nko kurwaho bagenzi babo nibabatakizayo kanisa ntubatakizayo kubarambura kubareba nabwe cyaho tushabango mukamara hange cyacu tusasire tweteyise tuozie bijaro bitu byere tuze kureba naba batakwebasa abatino kubari obunda batine kibakureta acicwero nabona bitu tushemere kubashika abakikuru n'abagurusi abatakwebasa konko muri cyo kukira abaferirwa abashija babo n'abaferirwa abakazi babo
nkakigenderwa cyerizoba no kutekateka aba nka leaders okugenda bakashika abandi nabo abine obuzubukebe barabiremu kugira ngo nabo bahumurizibwe kandi bakore fellowships bagumene berundana okuhumurizana no kugambira nibi bari kugenda nabarabamo mbona hatu ntubureba nko buhereza obwatandika nitujja kuvugumizamu buri mwaka.
Very important. I'm actually very proud of St. James Cathedral for thinking about this, bringing these ladies and gentlemen together, because you know there is no way you can manage grief and loss alone. So when people come together, they realize I am not alone. Also this one went through it.
Abandi bagambi harimo Dr. Martha Chosha batwina Masco, Jenny Nagaba na Reverend Canon Simon Mutabazi. Omugandi omurebezi wa Nkole nashaba barukorera amakanisa okoresa kurunja amataka g'ekanisa bateho ebintu byentunguka ebinebindi abgambire obali amukoro gokamya abaronde nkaga na mwenda akanisa ya St. Paul Remier Church of Uganda home district ya Rwampara.
Kureba ngu ekigambo kya projects bacyongeramo amani abo kuba ekigambo cy'omwani ni bine bitiruwenda twantu bashabangu bongeremo amani nango ijo icyo kureberaho kirungi kine cyabujaga bine biti 16
simaranga munonga ahagwa umurebezi witu wa Nkore wa katano kandi kwija atamiza abaronde bari kwingana 96 simaranga okuhamye kwa kustayo okubimucweka bakaba bakusabije
nabwo cyo nashemerwa munonga kureba ngwizoberi yabasa kutebwa hemkono yataho migana ya Kristo
namashemerwa ninji munonga abo kuri umwana wanje yataho migana ya Kristo akaba mu Kristayo shikire umubana bona kuranguya tungo buhereza nkovu
Kristo witu buryo mbuteka Mothers Union leader na kurumuru mugwe Fathers Union leader na kurumuru mugwe n'ubuciko bwona ababombeka na mboni turiyo ntombeka ikaniseji.
Bishop Ayongire yise n'abanyayuganda okwejumbira mu program za government na munonga ejihaterho eya census. Omugandi ishomero lyambara Central Primary School erikushangwa mu Rembo Rwambara nabo bajaguza okuhangura empaka zokushoma Qur'an estebekanisibwe abashwada Nyamitanga aha amashomero abiri Mbara Central Primary School niyo ebire yo kubanza eji ekwasibwe computer n'ebindi bikwatu.
Allahu Akbar la ilaha illallah Allahu Akbar walillahil hamd.
And alhamdulillah we are the ones who got the computer, we helped our school alhamdulillah.
Tuwangudde omwana waffe eyasooka okubeera nti awangula yakwata ekifo kye kisooka mu Tirawa era n'afuna ekirabo kya blanketi n'omwana owokubiri n'akwata ekifo era ekisooka mu hifidhu ne tubeera nga abaana ba best winners babadde babiri era nga bavudde mu ssomero lyaffe Mbara Central Primary School.
Era ffe abawangudde alhamdulillah mpozi abayizi mbalamira okusoma eddiini olw'ensonga eddiini yekulembera byonna.
School to bring their children to our school, and I thank the staff of Mbala Central Primary School, the cooperation they are doing to cooperate with the theology sheikhs who are teaching theology, and the teachers who are teaching, such that they compete each other and they cooperate each other. That's why our pupils are performing very well, both in theology and such that.
Impaka zibe zitabiremo amashomero agari amusingi gw'ekisilamu kuruga aho muri Nkore na Kigezi. Aba TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon na Susan Charles Sima.